Hey everybody, Chris here. So, are you ready? It's Dogecoin is about to make big moves. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out as well as when I do live streams. And Doge has been fighting this 11-cent barrier. It keeps coming right above 11 and then gets beaten back down. Eventually, Doge is going to break through that level and move on up to the next ones. Let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the news and the charts and I'll show you what key levels Dogecoin has to break going forward and where Doge may be headed. And we'll start here looking at the Dogecoin chart. And last night we had Dogecoin trading up above 11 cents. Got as high as 11.11, but then sold back down below 11 cents again this morning. Tried again to get up above 11 and then has sold back down. So Doge isn't quite ready to break out of this resistance level, but we will be watching that throughout the day. And I'll be live again Wednesday at 4 o'clock p.m. East Coast time in the United States. So make sure that you are subscribed. You've got your notifications on too, selected to all, so that when the live stream starts, you can come on in. Because not only will we be talking about Doge, we'll be comparing it again to Bitcoin, what's going on with Bitcoin, but also the coming alt season. That's right. This is all gearing up for alt season, where altcoins will be outperforming Bitcoin, as I've been calling for quite some time. That is coming as well. Other coins as well are starting to make moves. Look at SHIB. SHIB up over 15. Again, was making a move this morning, but it's too soon. It's too soon for the big breakout. October is coming. Not quite ready yet. So, and as I said on X here, follow me on X at ChrisPax, and it's like Dogecoin can't quite hold 11 cents yet. Come on, Doge. Come on, Doge. So, Doge price breakout, is that ahead? Dogecoin is now holding steady above 10 cents after a 12% jump following the recent Fed rate cut. So, Doge has been holding and now is fighting that 11-cent line, but zooming out, looking back from April, it has been a steady decline in this bearish 2024 that we've had from the highs of March all the way through the long extended summer. But here we are, right here in September, making that nice bowl here, coming out and looking for October to move up. Is Dogecoin price set for a strong rally? Well, so Doge appears to be on the verge of a potential rally driven by a bullish accumulation trend observed among miners and large investors. We'll talk about the miners in a minute. This pattern has helped reduce sell-side pressure, allowing Doge to outperform the broader market. So we do see Dogecoin holding strong, and actually even the Doge Bitcoin pair is turning around. Again, we'll look at that more on the live stream as well. Dogecoin has shown remarkable resilience over the past year. Its price increasing by 79%. So, I mean, you look at where Doge is now and you look where it was at the beginning of the year, and it's up 79%. That's generally pretty good. We just get so spoiled in cryptos, like we want 100x, 200x, like give us those huge gains. 79% isn't a bad return on your investment year to date. So 17 green days in the last 30 days demonstrate solid recovery trend despite broader market challenges. The coin's high liquidity, supported by its large market cap, makes it well positioned for rapid price movements when market conditions align. Despite its growth, Dogecoin is still trading below its 200-day simple moving average. So Doge has to get above that. And that's what we'll be looking at as a key price target, 200-day moving average. Where is that, you ask? Let's go to the daily chart here. And here is the 200-day moving average, this white line here. And right now it's about 13.5 cents. So we got to push to go to get up above this 11-cent line. We need to have this higher high as opposed to these lower highs that we've been having on these pumps. And again, that line is like 11.5 cents. but this 200-day moving average is at 13.5 cents. In near to midterm, Dogecoin could potentially reach resistance levels around 20 to 25 cents, especially if broader market sentiment continues to improve and Doge successfully breaks above the 200-day moving average. So that's what we have to look for. Dogecoin surges 8%, nearing 12 cents yet, not quite yet, still trying to hold above 11, and then we will set our eyes on 12. Is an altcoin season on the horizon? So Dogecoin seeing a notable surge. The rally has sparked speculation about the possibility of an upcoming altcoin season, a period when many altcoins outperform Bitcoin. So historically, altcoin season is triggered when a significant portion of the top coins begin to move. 72% of altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin in the last 30 days. 72% of all altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin in the last 30 days. Over the past 3 months, it was only 15%, and that's typically what we see. The past 3 months have been summertime when prices usually go down and altcoins typically drop at a lower percentage than Bitcoin. However, we are on this upturn now, and now we're starting to see that change over. Altcoin season is coming. Looking just at Bitcoin, Mags is saying, look, Bitcoin forming a massive bull flag, which is a bullish continuation pattern. His breakout target is $200,000. That's 200K for Bitcoin. That is a 3x from here. So if Dogecoin is at 11 cents, a 3x gets it to 33 cents. Are we happy with 33 cents? The world is going to be ecstatic if Bitcoin goes to $200,000 of Bitcoin. But 33-cent Doge, we're going to be like, yeah, that's nice, right? That's good, but it's not even half of its previous all-time high of 73 cents that we saw in 2021. We want more for Doge. And so that's why all this momentum is starting to build, this anticipation of Dogecoin building. So if Bitcoin goes on this kind of run, in this upcoming real bull run that's coming up, and alts are outperforming Bitcoin, that 3x won't be enough. It will be more. That's the kind of thing that we are looking at. Kev says, look, we should see a breakout on Dogecoin here. Perfect setup to be bullish. I want to see a pretty ferocious move out of this macro falling wedge. So again, this is 10.95. Doge right on the cusp of breaking out of this declining wedge here. On Kev's chart, we have the MACD crossover that is printing well. This is what we've seen last time. Again, this was late February, early March this year when we saw this MACD crossover here confirmed and that huge breakout that we had for Doge. That is what we are looking for coming up. Dogecoin miners are holding their breath. So the miners, again, Dogecoin is a proof of work cryptocurrency. So mining helps validate the transactions on the blockchain. The miners are rewarded for that by receiving Doge. And in order to keep the lights on, keep their miners working, right? They do have to occasionally sell Doge. When do they sell Doge? That's the question. When is that selling happening? And typically, the Dogecoin miner sell pressure happens when Doge goes on spikes. So we saw it in 2021. Huge run on Doge. Dogecoin miners are then taking their profits. And again, in May of 2021, more profits. October, November 2022, when Elon bought Twitter, big run up on the price of Doge and mining. The miners sell. But when the price is kind of drifting down, we don't see sell pressure. And particularly where the green areas are, there's no miners selling then. That's when things are depressed. The miners aren't selling. But then it starts to ramp up. October 2023, what we saw a year ago, Dogecoin price going up, miners taking profits. Saw it again, March of this year. Again, more profits. What's happening now, though? Well, through the summer, the Doge price has been going down. Miners aren't selling. So, once we start to see big spikes up again in the price of Doge, the miners will be selling. However, if retail is FOMOing in, that retail buying will overcome the miner selling, which we saw certainly huge back here in 2021. Look at the price going up, although there is miner selling pressure. That's the kind of move we are looking for Dogecoin. Again, looking back on Bitcoin, 4-year cycles. We've been watching the 4-year cycles. Here we are again. The pattern repeats, ready for the next move. As Trader Allen says, Bitcoin has just completed another pullback cup. So we've completed that cup, and now we are ready for the next move, which he says will be huge. Gel, looking at presidential elections. What have we had? 2012, 2016, 2020. Doesn't matter who wins. The price goes up immediately following the presidential election, and we do have one here in 2024 at the beginning of November. Price usually starts going up before the election, though. You see that each time. Price is already moving up, and then we have the election. Doesn't matter who wins. Price still goes up. That is what the 4-year cycles have shown. Trader says alt season is just around the corner. So this is Ali, and Ali's saying, look, Bitcoin dominance has been going up. That's about to turn down. At the same time, we have alts. So this is the alt chart, and we're starting to see that breakout. We're starting to see that alt breakout. Like we said, 70% of alts, right, are up against Bitcoin over the last 30 days. That's that move right there. And that is the beginning of something much bigger. And on Doge, again, we're waiting for this breakout above 11-cent resistance. And once that happens, look out. Are you ready? Let me know in the comments below. Are you ready? Are you getting ready, or are you already ready? You've got your Doge bags packed. Let's go. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.